I just landed in Iceland. It's not cold, it's a beautiful day. It's 10 a.m. on a Sunday morning. Kind of feels like Australia in a way, but it's not. This is Sharif coming to you from Reykjavik, Iceland. You're not you when you're hungry. Snickers satisfies.
Out of my way, you goose! Who the flaming heck put that there?
Dude.
Don't dude me!
Eat a Snickers.
Why?
Because you're a cranky old man when you're hungry. Better?
Better. You're not you when you're hungry. Snickers really satisfies.
First couple of hours, thanks to Sam, took me to an amazing place. Having cinnamon roll right off the oven. Thank you, Sam. Because we're in Iceland, ice is everywhere. Here, we have a massive piece of ice. It's really nicely shaped though. I don't know if you can... It's good with some Coca-Cola.
I'm Marcel from Barcelona.
I think it's a great country with a lot of changes. Ice, beach,
Rivers.
Come here.
Yeah, now.
Come here now.
Climbing a Skaftafell hike. This place is called Sel, and these various turf-roofed houses, back in the day in history, these were settlements for farming. Okay, I'm gonna go inside one of those buildings and see what's in there. This is the first time. This is live TV. Okay, inside I cannot see much. It's all wooden and rocks on the walls. Okay, nothing much, just a bunch of wood, and the walls are just rocks.
My name is Claire and my name is Pauline. We're visiting the south of Iceland. Waterfall was really beautiful, but after we got lost because there wasn't enough, signs to know where to go. We did the Landamaloga hike, and that was incredible. Just go. Because it's amazing. Yeah, it's amazing. Mm-hmm. Just take warm clothes and warm sleeping bags and things for crossing rivers and for rain, and yeah, it's incredible, and just go. Mm-hmm.
This is the Waterfall's Black Waterfall. The basalt columns you see here behind me were formed during the gradual cooling of a molten lava layer. Water has since broken its way through the lava crust, creating these incredible surroundings for the waterfall. It's a beautiful day from Skaftafell, Iceland. Imagine swimming here. If there was a woman right now with me, there would be no second thoughts about proposing. Will you marry me?
I like you, Mary. I like you a lot. I want to ask you a question straight out, flat out. I want you to give me the honest answer. What do you think the chances are of ending up together? Hit me with it. Just give it to me straight. What are my chances?
Not good.
You mean not good like 1 out of 100?
More like 1 out of 1,000,000.
So you're telling me there's a chance? Yeah!
I mean, come on, who would say no to a view like this? Unless you're a complete crazy.
If I'm fucking 6 women 3 times a day, 7 days a week, how many times per week am I fucking? Was it 10? Was it 130? Was it 16?
That's some weird stuff, man.
You telling me. Danny Duberstein's good at 2 things. That's math and fucking.
It's rainy, it's miserable. However, the feeling here is just amazing. Doing something for the first time is always like the climax of happiness. Seeing the world and the beauty of it is just beyond any level of other type of excitement. So to the people who don't like change, I tell you one thing. The only constant is change. You will always live in a bubble if you don't accept change in your life, no matter what that change may be. I know I'm not Socrates, but I'm working my way there somehow. Maybe someday I will be remembered, maybe not, but at least I will die very happy trying. Welcome to Iceland. Day 2, I'm on the Atlantic.
If you come here, you can die.
How do you pronounce this place?
Iceland?
No.
Oh. Sorry. Norther. Norther?
Awesome, thank you. Okay, I'm here at the Skaftafell. Madonna, no. Delete.